What's up, guys? Got a 2009 Honda Accord and the plate lights don't work, so check this out. Let's turn on the headlights. Headlights are on and rear tail lights are on, but neither one of these works. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the trunk. Let's pop the trunk open. I'm gonna show you guys the simplest way to change these. Don't be fooled by anybody else. And okay, so once you open the trunk, so as you can see, both of the lights are not working. We still got the lights on. Let's turn them off so we don't kill the battery. There you go. And what we're gonna do here is you're gonna come over here. You see this little guy? It has little tabs on the side. It's hard to see on the side. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna squeeze the tabs. It's better if I work on this one first so you guys can see. See these little tabs? You squeeze them. You squeeze the little tabs on the side on this gray connector, and you get this guy off. Very simple and easy. It's gonna be a little bit rough, but that's how it's done. Okay. So pretty much what I did was I squeezed this and this. So these two little triangles went in. And now we have access to the wall bulb, 194 bulb. Okay, so we're gonna pull this bulb out. So you simply just come on with one hand. It's always a trouble. So let's see if I can put my camera here. I'm gonna grab this and just pull on it. Even then it's trouble. Even then it's trouble. So all you need to do is pull this thing on really hard, and that's what I'm gonna do a little bit off the camera. So just pull it out on the bulb. Use a needle nose if you need to. Don't hurt your fingers. Okay, so it's really difficult to get that bulb out. I squeezed it with the needle nose plier and it broke. Then I used the pick, but you can take this connector off just by squeezing that. Get this guy off. And what you want to do now is let's put this baby down. You take your new bulb. You can put it in this direction. 194 is the bulb number. This way or this way, it doesn't matter. Stick this guy in, and it should just come on. This is one crazy housing. There you go. It's in there. You take this little guy, you stick it back on, and connect it. Let's just test it now. So I'm only going to show you one. Do the same thing for the second one. So we got a working bulb. There you go. Do the same thing with the other one, and now it's a trick to put it back in. Okay, it's a trick. Let's turn this off first. Put it back in. See all this glass you don't want to get stabbed with. Okay. To put it back in, the trick here is, you see this notch? This notch gotta sit, this whole thing gotta sit on the inside. As you can see, the other one is sitting on the inside. So what you do here is you stick this in just like that, and it will fall to its spot on its own. Bada bing, bada boom. Do the same thing for the second one. I got a second bulb sitting over here, so I'm gonna do the same thing with that one. And thank you for watching my video. See you guys on the next one.